Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to use the movies, the on-demand for TV shows, all the DVD releases, the Netflix, Hulu, and everything that I put on here except the live TV. So again, this is where your Fire Stick will come up. When you turn it on, you go down to Recents, and you go to Terrarium TV, which would be it's a teal circle with a TV in the middle. You hit OK, and it comes up, and then right here you have all the categories for the movies, and we'll just, I don't know, click in theaters, and we'll go to, let's pick a good one. Here, let's pick one. Okay, we'll go to we'll go to Super Troopers 2. Okay, so I click Super Troopers 2. Your guys don't do this. Mine, I haven't updated mine. Yours are all updated. So you pick the movie, and then in the top right corner, you will see a play button. You click play. I probably should have updated mine before I started doing this for you, so you don't have to worry about this. And when you hit play, links will come up, and it'll take about anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, depending on what movie you pick. So we'll give it a second. Okay, I'm gonna pick a different one. I don't want to wait that long for it to come up. Okay, so we'll go to top rated, and we'll pick the Shawshank Redemption. Okay, again, you go to it, you hit the OK button. You guys don't have to worry about this part. You go up to the top right corner where there's a play button. You click play. Okay, again, I'm sorry about that part. And then links will come up. Okay, so you give it about anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds for a link to come up. For example, this right here is the link. You navigate to it, which it's automatically going to go to it. And you press the OK button. Then you got all different kinds of options. You can either play it with subtitles, download it with subtitles, or copy the link if you would like to send it to somebody. They can probably watch it on a computer or a laptop. I've never used that. And it's very simple. You click play, and it says the video will start in a second. And right there you go. And it's playing. Okay? So, say, you decide you don't want to watch it anymore, or the movie is done, you simply hit the back button on your remote, and you keep hitting it until you're where you want to be. I'm back in the movie screen where I can choose another movie and do that process again. Okay, so to switch it over to the on-demand TV shows, or so we'll go to, so you click the top left, which is the menu. It's the three, here, I'll show you again. It's the three little lines. Anywhere you see this is the menu. You click it, and we're gonna go to TV shows. We click TV shows. Again, you go to the little drop down arrow, and it has all your categories, and this is where you'll find the Netflix, the Amazon, the Hulu, the YouTube, and I mean, it's plenty of different categories you can choose from. So, for example, I'm gonna go to Netflix. I click Netflix. We're gonna go to Stranger Things, and I'm sorry about that. Your guys, I haven't updated mine. You go to Netflix, and then you hit season, you navigate to season, and hit the OK button. And I'm gonna go to season 1, hit the OK button. Man, that's annoying, I'm sorry. And then once you pick a season, here's all the episodes. The number before the X implements what season it is. So, okay, I want to watch season 1, episode 1. I'll go to 3. Okay, so I go to 3, I hit the OK button, and that highlights it. Once you see the line under it, that means that's your selection. So after you select it, you navigate all the way over to the right and hit the play button. And it's the same as the movies. It's the same as the movies. You wait for a link to pop up, and then, you know, once the link pops up, you navigate to whatever link you would like. I always prefer the Yes Movies, and this right here, I try to pick HD if it's available. HQ could be anywhere from 720 or 1080. HD, normally always 1080. So, okay, we're gonna go to Yes Movies HD and hit the OK button. And then again, you got all these options. I normally just hit play. You press play, and the video says it'll be up in a second. And here's Stranger Things season 1, episode 3. Oh, sorry. When you're done with it, you hit the back button. Sometimes, you know, you do get some ads since it is a free app. Let's let this play out. You just gotta let it play out, and then you'll see an X, not that one. You'll see an X come up on the top of the screen, or you can just hit the back button once it's done advertising you, whatever it advertises you. It's almost done. Okay, and then you see the X in the top of the screen. And then you hit the back. Once you see the X, it's not there anymore, but once you see the little X on the advertisement, you hit the back button, and you're back at the links that you chose for Stranger Things, episode 1. And to get out of that, to make another selection, you hit the back button, and then you hit the back button, you hit the back button, and now you're back at the Netflix list. I'll show you really quick how to search something. So, say I want to search a TV show, and I'll do MasterChef, just because I'm getting ready to watch that. You just go, and there's that magnifying glass on the top right. It's in both apps, and it always means search. So, okay, I've searched MasterChef, and we'll just pick the old one. Okay, again, and it's the same process with everything. Okay, I click MasterChef, I go to season, we'll go to season 6, click season 6. I'm so sorry about this popping up. Your guys are all updated, mine isn't. Okay, so you click MasterChef season 6, and then you pick the episode you want to watch. Again, the 6 before the X means it's season 6, so we go to season 6, episode 7. Click the OK. It's underlined. Well, we'll go to 4. And it's underlined. And then again, you go all the way over to the play button. You click play. I'm so sorry. You hit back if that ever does come up. And then again, once you choose the episode, the links will come up. You click the link, whatever one you prefer. You hit play, and then the link comes up. To get out of it, you hit the back button, and that is that. Same with movies. You can search movies. So again, there's the magnifying glass, which means search. You click it. Okay, and then in order to switch it, you go, now I want to search a movie. So there I am right there on TV shows. I hit over, and I hit the OK button, and now I'm searching movies. So we'll pick Giant, only because I searched that for lady the other day. So you go to Giant, type in whatever you want to search, you go down to the next button, and you hit OK. And here's all the movies that have the word giant in it. And again, you click it. We'll go to My Giant, just because that's where it was. You click it, and then go all the way over to the play button. Again, you press play. That won't come up for you guys, I'm sorry. You press play. Again, takes about anywhere from 10 seconds, 30 seconds to a minute for the links to come up. You click the link that you would prefer, you press the OK button, and then it'll give you all the options to play with subtitles, download with subtitles. And you hit play, you wait about 10 seconds and the movie will start. And to get out of it, all you have to do when you're done watching the movie, or you want to change a movie, you hit the back button, and then you continue to hit the back button until you're where you want to be. Some troubleshooting tips for this app, it's pretty simple. You really just hit the back button as many times as you need to. You can't hit it too many times. All it will do is, if you hit it too many times, is bring you back to the home screen. This app is gonna pick up where you left off. So if you're in the middle of watching a movie, if you close it out, then that's where it's gonna start. And I think that's pretty much everything. Also, another little tidbit that I actually learned today is this button right here actually allows you to search TV shows and movies by the year. And it goes all the way down to, I guess, before movies were made. So, I mean, it's really, well, let's see, there wasn't one in 1940. But, I mean, you pick the year, and all the movies that came out in that year are available. I think I've really kind of covered everything. There is, an official, if you go to the top left, the 3 dots, you click it, there are some, help links or whatever it may be. And I think I have pretty much covered everything. Actually, I'll tell you, if you go to the 3 lines and click it, you go down to TV calendar, and it says here's all the shows that are coming on. This says Wednesday 6/6, and it tells you all the shows that are coming on or that are going to be added to the app that night. So it's pretty simple. It does take some getting used to and playing around with. Just know that you can't really mess it up. And if you ever do feel like you are, or you're lost, all you have to do is hit the back button and it will take you back to the home screen. Hit the back button until you get to the home screen. And I'm just gonna do this all in one video. So here is how to use the live TV. This one's really quick, really easy. This is where your Fire Stick comes on. You go down to Mobdro under your recents, you click it, and it's very simple. Here's your categories. I'm gonna pick one real quick because this video is getting long. I'm gonna go to CBS. I click CBS. It comes up. I don't wanna watch it anymore. I wanna change the channel. You hit the back button, and it brings you back to the channels. And if you want to pick a different category, you hit the back button again. You got all these options right here. We'll go to spiritual, and here's all your spiritual channels. We'll click Daystar, so we go to Daystar, hit the OK button, click it, comes up. You don't want to watch it no more. Well, of course, there's nothing on Daystar right now. And you hit back, and you're back to the spiritual ones. And if you want, you can always search anything you would like to right here. You hit the back button. Again, here's all your categories that have all your options for the channels. And after you watch some stuff, it's gonna come up under your recents. See, I just watched Daystar, I just watched CBS. ESPN2, ESPN, those are all that I have watched. And that is actually pretty simple. So all this stuff down here is just settings. You don't really have to mess with it unless, I mean, you would like to, but just know that I do not mess with those, so I would not be able to fix anything if you went in there and messed with it. Unless you told me what you did, I might be able to figure it out, but there's no guarantees. That's pretty much it, and I hope you enjoy it.